elements amass. Colors twist, they resist, yet they blend in a dance. Every piece is a chance, a little resin romance. Resin and realness is sticking to my hands. Tiny galaxies and molds you'll never understand. Swirl it up, pour it down, watch the magic land. Resin and realness, baby, I'm crafting my own brand. Clear as day, trapped inside is a tiny blue tree. I see the world in resin like it's talking to me. Sand and shells, little spells locked in forever. This ain't just plastic, it's a whole new endeavor. Resin and realness is sticking to my hands. Tiny galaxies and molds you'll never understand. Swirl it up, pour it down, watch the magic land. Resin and realness, baby, I'm crafting my own brand. Let it cure, let it shine like a frozen sun. Imperfect edges mean the battle's just begun. It's messy, it's sticky, it's chaos at its best. But that's resin and realness, no need to impress. Resin and realness is sticking to my hands. Tiny galaxies and molds you'll never understand. Swirl it up, pour it down, watch the magic land. Resin and realness, baby, I'm crafting my own